What's up, everybody? It's Tim from LiveCaseBreak.com. We got Brian here with a 16 Topps Chrome Jumbo. He's going to do box 3. This stuff just jumped over the weekend. Market exploded on the hobbies and the Jumbos. Fun fact. And it doesn't want to fold, so we won't make it fold. Alright, Brian. Here you go. First two. Just a wee bit lower and get all zoomed in here. Brian, all base? Or you just want ComC stuff? As always, either way, totally cool. Here's a Schwarber Perspectives. Nice card. Brave Stripling Brian. There's a Schwarber rookie. More ComC. Ruiz and Hamels. I want it all. You got it, dude. Hey, it's easier for me. I don't have to sort ComC now. Woo! I'm happy. You get a Prism Teheran, Hamels Prism, and your first auto is none other than Brian Ellington. Brian Ellington. Ugh. That's not what we want to see. Ellsbury and Beham. Alright, pack 3. Got one auto so far. Ooh, kind of looked like a super for a second. Adrian Gonzalez. There's a Machado refractor. Second auto, Timmy Anderson. That's better. Chicago White Sox, a rookie auto. 2 autos down. Trevor Story rookie. Aaron Blair. George Springer. Do we have another auto? We do. Malik Smith. Got 3 autos in a row here. A bit of a downgrade from Timmy Anderson, I would say. Probably in the same ballpark, actually, value-wise. Sano, Trace, Almonte, Mazzara, Ichiro. Ray of Future Stars. Greg Bird. It's a nice card. Prism rookie. And boy, I haven't seen one with all the autos in the top here. Mac Williamson. Third auto blue. Mac Williamson. 66 out of $150. Alright, so we got one more to find here. What's up, John? How are you, man? Severino, Conforto, and Kiermaier. Sixth pack. Yadier. There's a Rizzo Refractor. Jimmy Kimmel and a KB Future Stars. No ink in that pack. Picture Mac Williams auto slowly becoming a straight line. He's on the right path, that's for sure. There's the empty. I am doing excellent, John. I can't complain, not that I ever do. Seager. There's a Piscotte Prism. Lopez Refractor. Robert Refsnyder. Blue. 108 out of 150 on the RRRR. We got Bree Morse. She threw out the first pitch. The Nationals. Gary Sanchez rookie. Tanaka and Chris Davis. 4 packs remain. John Lackey, Familia. I actually do have Gypsy Queen. I haven't loaded it into the store yet, John. It will be in there at some point tonight. Probably within the next 10 to 15 minutes. John Lackey out of 275. Fulte and Kluber. So, John, I assume you finally saw your Bryant, my man? You like what you saw? Kipnis Prism, Conforto Youth Impact, Keuchel, base. Lots and lots of a base. We got 3 packs left, one more auto to find. We got one colored auto in the box so far. Stevenson Prism, we've got Park for the Twins, Beham. That was a rough one, Bry. Sorry, dude. Ryan Dull Refractor. Hopefully there's a super in those last 2 packs out of 499. Ryan Dull, Schaefer, Reynolds, Smith, Ortiz, Cole. For this week, guys, we've got Rookie P tomorrow night. Then Thursday, we have a dual caser. Dual caser of best team style. It's already up on the site. I put it in the Facebook group early. Some teams selling off that quick. Tulo, Ryan Howard, and Mondesi Youth Impact. Joey Bats is your 3rd numbered card out of 275. 4th colored parallel, actually. Joey Bats. Did you get a chance to watch the video first, or did you just find out from the mail day? Is the 101 out, John? And it has a crappy patch? Alright, this should be your last auto. Correa, CJ Edwards, Jacoby Ellsbury, and Aaron Blair. Did you get a bonus auto? Was Dole actually your last one? You did get a bonus auto, not that that's much of a bonus. Aaron Blair. Oh, you did see the video, okay. Wow, the 101's on eBay and has a worse patch. That's crazy. Alright, so quick box recap for Brian there. He had a Aaron Blair auto, purple Joey Bats, Ryan Dull Refractor, Lackey purple, Ref Snyder blue, Williamson blue auto, Malik Smith base, Tim Anderson base, Brian Ellington base. 6 autos and 3 numbered cards. That's a rough box still. Unless, of course, you PC some of those guys. Let me save this video. I'll be right back.